Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot. We're going to be looking at the best tool deals. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers will platform by subscribing and likes. Alright, to start here we got Makita Mowers. We got two different kinds. I didn't know they made two different kinds, but they make 21 inch and an 18 inch. This is the first time I actually seen both. I thought it was just one. These are both the older versions. I believe they're coming out with some newer versions. That's why these are on clearance or these are on sale. So down to $669 from $799. This is a 21 inch self-propelled mower. So this is top of the line. You guys see how wide and how big the tires and everything, the motor compartment. That thing is massive and huge. And this one's smaller. This one's an 18 inch, $379 for this one. So there's a lot of difference. $499 was the regular price. So either or, you're pretty much good. These are great, guys. These are professional level tools built for the pros. This is another one that's a great deal. This is a 21 inch 60 volts. $379 down from $449. That's a really good deal. So guys, this is the time before, because they're going to start clearing them out because they want to put, for the spring. They want to put the new ones in, basically. You got $69.97. Now it's $34.97 reduced price. It's on that tool only. And then this one for $169. 16 gauge, 2.5 straight. And then you got buy two get one free. So you buy any of the tools on the left, two of them, and you get a free battery. You can get the ratchet. You can get the one-handed reciprocating saw kit. The drill driver, you can get the staple gun, the reciprocating saw, the right angle drill, the rotary tool, multi-tool, and you get that 6 amp hour battery for free. And this is the way they look. This is the table saw, $299 down from $399. Somebody told me that they actually got this for $250. I don't know if it was just one store they had it for $250. So 8 1/4. Table saw. And then they got this one. This was a laser level. I believe this is just a stand for $69.97. And if you guys hear noise in the background, disregard it. There's fireworks and all kinds of. My neighbors are just all over the place with everything. And I'm trying to get this video out before before for you guys in the morning Saturday. So today's Saturday. So alright, so we got a reciprocating saw $189, you got a vacuum $189, and then you got a circular saw kit $189. You got different kits there. $24.97 for this 23 piece. I know these are pretty much older sales that they had before, but I'm just going over what's left on this store. A little bit of what's left, because not all of it. There's a few new items that I will be going over in just a little bit. So they got the Oscillating Tool Kit there for $49.88, and they got the impact driver, drill driver there. They still got some of these fastbacks, $14.97. That's a really good deal from. And then they got this leather. These are great. These are really nice leather gloves, and they do have for your protection. So impact and cut level 3. $14.88 for the 4 pair cut level 1. I really like those leather ones that we saw before those. $24.88 for the 2-pack HEPA filters. Like I said, right now is the time to get these because these are usually about $20 a piece or around so. And you got the M18 vacuum, the 2-gallon wet and dry vacuum, $129. $29.97 for the 3-pack high carbon steel multi-tool blades, and then 3-pack of 1 3/8. So there you got wood right there, and then you got metal. Alright, so you got $99. This is the M12, I believe. Yeah, M12 fuel. Wet and dry vacuum, regular price $129. Now it's down to $99. You got some more oscillating tools. These are Milwaukee. You got a 3-pack of high carbon steel. You got a 1 3/8 pearl curved Japanese tooth. Those are hardwood right there. Universal fit. Then you got some metal here. The why you can tell is at the bottom of the blade, it changes the color. You got these comfort grips, and then you got this tape measure, 25 feet tape measure. And then you got the hex jaw with strong hold. Those are nice. Then you got some comfort grips there. But yeah, it has a lot of grip. That's what they're trying to sell on this one. And then they got the torque lock, straight jaw locking pliers, 1447. Then they got torque lock curved jaw. So the difference in between these is the jaw. If you guys look at these, are straight jaw, and they don't have any plastic there or handles. And the other ones have plastic, but they do have a curved jaw. If you guys see the difference in the jaw on those. All right, so this is the new link system exclusively at Home Depot. This is the new Ryobi link system. So $29.97 for the 2-pack link wall rails, then $7.97 for the double, $64.97 for the tool organizer, and then the link 7-piece $59.97. You got the link tool crate and the link standard box. No prices on these. Then you got the rolling toolbox, and then you got the medium toolbox. So you're gonna get 3 or 4 configurations right off the bat. This is one of them. This is a really nice organizer. If you guys look at the drills, you guys can set them up. You know, some drill bits there, some screwdrivers, and maybe a power tool on the top. $64.98. You can set your chargers on the top. That's another great idea. Some batteries and chargers on the top. Maybe have one for each brand or whatever, you know, whatever you do. You got link double bin, $7.98. So this is a double bin, and you can hang this on the wall. You guys see the part on the back. It's like the pack out, but it's on the back. Those diamond inserts. You got link single bin there, $5.98. And you got the hooks. So this is the link power tool hook, $10.98. This is for the power tools, I guess. And then we're gonna be going over this as they they come in. I'm fairly new to this, so I'm starting to learn. You got the bike hook here for $10.98. So in case you're gonna want to hang a bike there, and then you got a multi-purpose hook, and then you got an S hook there. So different prices on all these. And then you got a link double hook and a utility hook there. So a bunch of different stuff here. And then you got the this is a starter kit. Pretty much this is what you're going to be putting on the wall. And then you're going to be so you can put your accessories on top of those or hang it with those, as you would say. And then these are the rails. You guys could buy them separately, I guess, in a pair. $29.98 link wall strips. So pretty nice. Pretty different than whatever's out there. And 75 pound capacity, I guess. So, and you get a pack of 2, as you guys do see there. That's pretty much the way they look. You know, if you put it there. $64.97 for the pack out deep organizer, and $79.97 for the regular organizer. And then you got the large toolbox, $89.97, and then you got the extra large toolbox, $109. I think the extra large toolbox is worth it. That's pretty much the same, almost the same size as the rolling toolbox. You got the rolling toolbox, $139. You got the pack out lights there for $199. You got the pack out rolling tool chest, which is the big one, $229. Then you got the radio up there on the top. So lots of new stuff, new features. I know it's kind of expensive, but you know it's quality. This is great quality. This is the XL toolbox there, $109. That's not a bad. It is expensive, but you know you are getting a larger box. Like some of these, you're paying $70-$80, and you're getting a small box. Anyways, the organizer. Some people are using the organizers as the for tools. So they're about the same size, and they are compatible. That is the large rolling toolbox there for $229. All right, this is something I never seen before. This is a 3-piece professional joint knife set. So professional joint knife set from DeWalt. This is 6-inch. So $19.98. Like I said, this is the first time I see these. I did see these on Jeff's lives. He does Jeff Ostroff. He does lives at the depots and the Lobes. I did see this at his lives, but I never seen it in my stores. So, but this is the first time I saw them. $29.88 for the 28-piece bimetal These are Diablo Blades. You guys know Diablo is pretty much solid as rock. These are great. And then you got $34.97. These are fairly new too. 3-pack bimetal oscillating tool. Blades clean or wood. So you got different kinds. Like I said, Diablo's making their way into the oscillating tool. Nail embedded wood. So you can cut nails with this one too, apparently. 5 times the life. And you guys know this brand's solid. So $12.88 for the 24 toolbox. This is a great deal on this one. If you need a toolbox or just storage, even storage. You know, if you got all kinds of stuff for storage for the garage, you know, you can label it at the end. $169 for the 2-pack of nailers. You got a 16 gauge and 18 gauge. $179 for the subcompact brushless 2-tool combo kit with 2 amp-hour batteries. So pretty nice. Pretty nice a little starter kit. $99 for a 1/2 inch drill driver, subcompact. That's it right there. And that is a kit that's come with 2 batteries. You got some clothes here, some shirts, some t-shirts here with the long sleeves. $29.99 for the XX large navy. And then you got the different colors. Then you got some pants here. 44. I'm starting to like these colors. They weren't my favorite when I saw them, but now I'm thinking of getting some of these for the work. And check out this slider, guys. This is a really nice slider. I'm thinking about either getting the fuel or the DeWalt. So I don't know. The DeWalt seems to have a little bit more features because you can connect it to the electric. And it does come with 2 6 amp hour flexible batteries. So I don't know. Let me know down in the comment section which one would you recommend. Or do you have any of these two, or do you have another one? Let me know if you have any of these miter saws. So this is a 12-inch double bevel slider, and then this is a 10-inch slider here. It says for 400 cuts per charge. I believe this come with the 12 battery there and a charger. Then these come with 2 6s, and it does come with the cord. Alright, you got some toolboxes. The way it looks, maybe they're gonna have a sale on these toolboxes. Who knows? Let me know down in the comment section if you guys know what's up with Home Depot. You got buy 2 tools for $179. You got buy 3 tools for $265. You got buy 4 tools for $349. So pretty much just like the other starter buy one get one free deals. You got some starter kits. Same thing with this. Well, actually, this one's you buy the tool for $199 up there. You get a free 5 amp hour battery. That's a really good deal, especially if you return that 5. You're gonna get that too. That's if you still have them available. I believe you guys still have a few more days on these deals. And then this is a new one that I never seen before. Well, I have seen it before, but I don't know if it's a different one or not. But it was here at this store, and they had it at the front. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys just in case it's a new deal. $89 for the drill. You got a cutoff tool there for $89. And then you got these. This is the Airstrike brad nailers, $99. I'm thinking of getting this. Let me know that in the comment section. I know Joe the Tool Guy did a comparison. If you guys want to watch his live, he did a live. He was comparing this one against the Craftsman, and he said he liked this one because it has the rapid fire. So I'm thinking about getting this one instead of the Craftsman one. I wanted to get the Metabo HPT. Yeah, I can talk about Loves or Metabo or whatever, because nobody pays me. But yeah, I was thinking of getting the Metabo because it was on clearance. The older, the 2-inch brad nailer. So if you guys see that at your store, if you guys check out the price, I believe it was around $100. I was thinking of getting that one, but I can't find it in any store. So I'm probably gonna end up going with Ryobi here, the Airstrike. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, and the bell icon. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.